code a simple backend chat system using a Motoko. Let's go. So TFX new. If you have installed the the DFX tool, DFX new, then we come and say, what do you want to call it? Chat system, yeah, chat system, and say enter. We choose Motoko because we want to build the backend. Don't choose any front end language. Say no front end consta. Click enter. Then we have our simple backend logic. So let's go into it. Open VS Code. Let's wait. So my computer is a bit slow, so we are going to wait for a few minutes. Then you go to the SRC directory. You can see the chat system backend. Go to the file, delete what is in there. Now we're going to create our own. So we say actor chat system. Then again to do it like that. So what do we want to create on this website or this symbol back ends? So we're going to say type message is equals to, then enter the values of the message sender text, then go to the next thing. What is the content is going to write on the backend, which is going to be on the backend. Then we say text. Then the timestamp when you wrote the content, we say similar is equal to text. Yeah. Now we have finished it. Now let's go to the next step, which is creating a variable, which is messages. Message is equals to, yeah. So after that, you're going to create a public a function to send the message. So public query function send message. Who is going to send this message? The sender. What we have defined, text. Then we go next, content. We say text, then time stamp, which is equals to a integer. Sorry, we need to put the timestamp to be an integer. So integer. Then we're going to create a, after that we say async, which then under it write what is going to be done. Messages is equals to array dot append. I think if you have learned the JavaScript, you know what you are saying. Messages